Your dishwasher is considered the most dangerous appliance in your home. Did you know that? Well, here's one of the reasons why. This study shows the gut epithelial barrier damage caused by dishwashing detergents and rinse aids. I'm at Costco. I looked at all of these detergents, every one of them, and they all had the ingredient that study shows causes gut damage, and it's called ethoxylate. I found this one. Blue Land. It's a safer choice, no plastics, no fragrances, because those are hormone disruptors, and no ethoxylate. Don't poison your family anymore.